Hi, my wonderful chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to exceptional. In this video, I'm going to make a restaurant quality salsa you can make from home that's fresh and delicious. People like to say salsa. Excuse me, do you have any salsa? We need more salsa. Where's the salsa? No salsa? Apologies to Mr. Seinfeld for my poor impersonation. In order to make this, you're going to need to bust out a food processor or a blender. And if you don't have those, a lot of patience, a sharp knife, and fine chopping. But the food processor is my go-to. I use a 28-ounce can of peeled plum tomatoes, a bunch of fresh cilantro, a sweet white onion, a lime, 3 garlic cloves, powdered cumin, salt, and sugar. Feel free to switch it up, add or tweak additional spices, and explore other flavors. This is your meal. Make it however you feel. However, Monsieur Jacques Pepin said, it's good to follow the recipe at least once so you know what it should taste like. Then you can make it your own. With that said, let's start cooking. Pour the tomatoes into the food processor. Roughly chop up an onion, but no need to go too crazy with it because the food processor will do the heavy lifting. Toss in the 3 garlic cloves peeled. Again, no need to chop them up. Then add a teaspoon of sugar, a teaspoon of cumin, and a teaspoon of salt. Then you're going to cut a lime in half and squeeze the juice as much as you can into the processor, and then add a bunch of cilantro. You can chop it up ahead of time to make it easier to fit in, but I never really do that. I just let the food processor do its thing. Cover it, make sure it's closed completely, and then you're going to blitz it. I usually pulse it about 6 times and then see how it's going. Almost every single time the cilantro gets wrapped around the inside blade like this. Just take a spoon, move it around, separate it, push it down a little bit if you can. That'll help it get to the bottom where the blade is. I love my cilantro, so now that I've made a little bit more room, I add another half bunch or so, pretty much whatever I had left over. Cover it back up, pulse it a little bit more. Now, depending on how chunky you like it, you can pulse it a lot or a little. I don't really like mine too chunky, so I really blitz the heck out of it. It's up to you. And I mean, try it chunky, see if you like it. If not, blitz it more. It's up to you. Once you've pulsed this to your liking, pour it in a bowl, refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes or so the flavors can marry together. Longer than 30 minutes is better too. I like it cold. It almost congeals a bit, and I love that. Try this with chips, tacos, omelets. I put this on damn near everything. I think it's absolutely delicious. Thank you so much. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat.